I've got an unboxing video for you, and it's in my downstairs extension that is yet to be finished. So it might seem a little bit echoey, but my little filming room upstairs, oh my gosh, it's so hot. It is boiling. I've just filmed a pink parcel and I am really hot, so I've just pinned my hair up, so excuse me if I look a bit odd. So I thought I'd come down here where it's a lot cooler to unbox bettybox. So this is the bettybox, exactly the same packaging as the pink parcel because they are from the same company. Now bettybox is for teens, pink parcels for ladies. So it's a monthly period subscription box with beauty samples inside, and on the back it says "Deed Not Deeds, celebrating women and championing movements that made a difference to gender equality is something we passionately support. It's also important to forever champion and highlight the success and progression of women, both from the past and present, which is why we're dedicating this month's box to the centenary of the women's right to vote, celebrating 100 years of women's suffragette in partnership with PROCESSIOS. If you'd like to learn more about PROCESSIOS, then I'll link the website down below. It's processions.co.uk, and also everything that I talk about in this video, I will link that down below as well. Links to bettybox, I've got a refer a friend link, and also the products that are inside. I'll seek them out and I'll write them down below as well. So click on the show more, that'll bring the description, and all that information will be down there. So if you're new to bettybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown. As I said, it is a beauty monthly period box and it's for teens. So that's what it usually looks like. Gorgeous bright box. So I get this for my daughter. It costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. What I like about bettybox is that they've just brought out some new sanitary protection specifically sized for teen girls. So you can choose what protection you want: tampons, pads, or a mix. And if you go for pads, which I have done, you can choose what brand you want. And also what I really like is the fact that you can choose the sizing. So you can choose it in like ages 11 to 12, 13 to 14, I think. Anyway, it goes along the lines of age appropriate, so you get to choose that. You also get to choose the date you'd like this sent out to you, and you can change the information whenever you want, which is really good. So I've started getting these now and again, not regularly, just now and again, and my daughter absolutely loves them. I mean, some of the products in here I love for myself as well. There's always something I want, and this is aimed at teens. So yeah, I'm a big kid at heart, I suppose. But no, I just love the packaging. It's bright, it's colourful, and yeah, it's good. So let's open it and show you what's inside. So you get some leaflets, and you always get a Betty Collective. Now this is a leaflet that is like a little mini magazine. It's got information, it's got advice, it's got information about the Vote for Women, which is really important for our young girls to read up about if they're not already doing it in school. And it's got information about all the products that are inside this box, which I will talk about now. So this is what the inside looks like. So you've got a For You box, and in here it contains 7 items of treat value. So in here you've got 5 beauty items, 1 sweet treat, and there's usually a tea bag of some sorts. Varies, very similar to the pink parcel, but it's more aimed at teens. Then you've got similar concept again. You've got a pouch full of your sanitary protection. You've got a for later and a for night. So I'll just open them up and show you. So in the for later box, she's got 9 for later pads, and the for night, so these are the bigger pads. She's got 5 pads in there, and then it always has a little pouch like this, which is really super cute and easy to pop in a school bag or your handbag. So in here, more day pads and some panty liners. So there you go. It's got some cute packaging as well. See, they're tiny. They're really tiny and discreet, and yeah, kind of funky as far as sanitary protection goes. So those are the sanitary protection. So onto the treat box. I like to not know what she gets because I like a surprise as well. So there you go. As with all my unboxings, I'll show you first and then I'll refer to the leaflet and I'll give you a little bit of a lowdown about what's inside. So I'll put this to the side. Right then, so the first item in the bettybox, the treat section is, oh, this is so cute. So this is Scent Republic, and this is a scent stick. Oh, I like this. Not tested on animals, made in the UK. Never heard of this brand, but it looks super funky. Really cool. She's not going to mind if I have a sniff, I'm sure. never watches my videos anyway, not that I know of. Oh, it looks like a pen. I like that. It looks like a pen. Oh, that is really weird. It just looks like a highlighter pen. She is going to love this. What do I do? Just put it in my hand like that. It's quite nice as well. It's the sort of smell I would go for. Very fresh, very citrusy, fruity, bit of floral in there. I'm useless at describing perfumes, but it is definitely something I like. Oh, it's nice. Oh, she's gonna love it. Absolutely love it. I think that's a fab product. So the information in the booklet says that this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price for this is £4.95. And it's want a new scent that will make you feel all kinds of kick-ass, take on whatever stands in your way with a sweet vanilla, mandarin and rich praline stick. It's about to become your coolest perfume weapon yet. I really like that. Oh, she's gonna love it. And that's a fab item. Second one is, what is this? The Beauty Crop Luscious Flocking Lashes Waterproof Mascara. Oh, now we've had lots of Beauty Crop items before, but we've never had this one. So that looks really nice. So my daughter is nearly 12. She's actually 12 on Monday and she's just starting to get into makeup. Now mascara's been one of the items that she's been a little bit scared of. She's got hooded eyes a little bit and she finds that it just sticks. So I'm gonna have to do a little tutorial with her, I think. I'm gonna have to teach her. Something I've been meaning to do, but it's something I've been putting off because I don't want to do it too young, you know? I don't want her to have a face full of makeup like me at 12, but hopefully I can educate her that natural beauty shines through and that is the most important. But you can enhance by little things like a touch of mascara, a touch of lipstick and things like that. You don't need to overdo it. So I really like this mascara actually. There's a lot of product on there, really, really black. I really like it. I like the wand as well. Ooh, so what's the information say? It looks like we've been given not a wrong product, but a different product. In the booklet, it mentions a Beauty Cropped Wing liquid eyeliner, but there's no other information about this. So the liquid eyeliner is £12, so I'm assuming this would be roughly the same as well. But no, I'm quite chuffed actually that it is a mascara, because if she doesn't like it, I'll be having it, because it looks quite a nice one. The next item. Got loads of these. I've got loads of these and I've given quite a few away. We've had them so many times in beauty boxes over the last year. They are nice, they're nice and fresh. The smell isn't to everyone's taste, but I quite like it. I love a minty smell. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is it. So it's a body wash. It's a natural Green Frog Botanic. So this is a sample size and the recommended retail price for a 300ml bottle is £8.95. So it says wake up and shake up your skincare, work this amazing mix of aloe vera, calming geranium and cooling peppermint oil into your skin for a deep cleanse every AM. So that's that one. Next one, a nail varnish. She loves nail varnish. And I'm not sure if you've had this before, maybe I've had it. It's a Maggie Ann and it's in colour Argentina and it's a metallic silver. Quite cool. So that looks nice. So from the information booklet, it looks like you will either get a gold or a silver. And this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £10.50. And it says, treat those hard-working hands to a fancy metallic mani. You'll receive a bronze, gold or super shiny silver polish that's not only pretty but 100% cruelty-free, so you can join the celebrations in style. The next item is a, I've had this before, possibly in a pink parcel. And it's a tea bag and it's a yo-yo Escape the Ordinary Herbazing, and it's with grapefruit and rosehip, and I do like this. I absolutely adore sort of grapefruity, limes, lemons, orangey type herbal teas. So I'll be having this one. So that's what we got there. So for a pack of 14 of these will cost you £4.35. Need some extra energy for all the women's rights lessons you're having right now? This stimulating hot drink blend of citrus and herbamate will boost your brain power in no time. Shame she won't drink tea, but never mind. Boost my brain power instead. The next item is, I'm having to have a look. 2 little chocolates, and these are by Cocoba, and they're orange milk chocolate. They're little, tiny little ones, you can see there. So I've had these before as well, maybe in last month's pink parcel. I can't remember now. Quite nice. So these are an exclusive for bettybox, and I'm assuming pink parcel, and you can buy other ranges from the Cocoba website at cocobachocolate.com. And it says, got PMS cravings? Treat yourself to these delicious orange milk chocolate squares. They've got a creamy melt in the mouth texture and will make you feel approximately 100% better. They are nice. So the last item is an item I received in my pink parcel this month, and it's the bandies. I'll just take this off. So this is what they look like. So it's a set of hair ties. You can wear them around your wrist, but yeah, they're generally just for your hair, but they've got amazing quotes on them there. So in collaboration with PROCESSIOS. So they say, women bring all voters into the world. Equality, the time is now. Vote for women 1918 to 2018. And then you've got the symbol down the bottom there. The recommended retail price for these is £6.95. Celebrate the suffragettes with these special edition hairbands that come in green, white and violet. They're covered in cool, empowering symbols and won't damage your locks. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all together. So there's 7 items in the little treat box. You've got a sweet treat and a tea, and then the rest are beauty items. I think she is going to love these as a great mix, and if she doesn't want that perfume and the mascara, then I'll lab them. But I'm sure she'll love it. There's a good mix there. So for £12.99, I think it's such a great box to give to your teen girl. I just think it's lovely, something to look forward to. And I remember being a teenager and not wanting to have periods in school and worrying about my pads and, oh God, there's all stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's nice anyway. And me and my daughter get to share and talk about the items, and we compare the pink parcel and stuff. So I think now that she's getting older, I think it might be a regular thing. I think because I receive it, so I think why not her as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you receive it or if your daughter receives it, and if you like this box, and what did you think of this month's box as well. So if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.